Hi everyone, my name is Venkatesh Muniyandi. Welcome to my course Building Responsive SSRS Report. I'm a senior consultant in an IT consulting firm in Melbourne, Australia. Today we have a variety of devices with different screen size, resolution and form factors. Creating a report that renders well on all these devices and form factors is one of the significant challenges. The solution to this challenge is building Responsive SSRS Report. In this course, I'll explain and demonstrate how to build a responsive report using SSRS mobile reports. To make this course more interesting and engaging, I'll show detailed steps on building responsive COVID-19 statistic report that renders well on all three major form factors like desktop, tablet, and phone. Some of the major topics that we will cover include understanding the responsive design concept, building responsive report using mobile report publisher tool, learning to design a single report for multiple form factors, creating different types of reports like drill-through, parameterized and map reports, following best practices while building responsive reports. By the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of creating, branding and publishing responsive reports using SSRS mobile report publisher tool. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basics of database and writing queries, basic knowledge in SSRS reports. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn about report creation with the Building Responsive SSRS Reports course at Pluralsight.